When Hurricane Andrew slammed into Florida back in 1992, Steve Doig thought he and his family were out of harm's way.
I had no reason, I guess, to expect that it would turn out as bad as it did.
Their suburban home 10 miles inland wasn't even in an evacuation zone.
If I had been living in an area where responsible people said, oh, this is an evacuation zone, you have to get out, I certainly would have done that.
But Andrew had other plans.
It's almost like a blizzard, a snowstorm of sand.
As hurricane winds ripped through Doig's neighborhood, terrified, he, his family, and two friends huddled together inside a small bathroom, listening to Andrew rip their house and community to shreds.
The real trauma is the months of recovery afterwards. Looking around, and I did not recognize my neighborhood.
This can only be described as total devastation.
Andrew literally flattened homes to their foundations and wiped out power for weeks. And with their home destroyed, Doig and his family spent months living in a trailer in their driveway.
Traffic lights were torn up and blown over. It was an entirely sort of different world out there.
Then a reporter for the Miami Herald, Doig was part of a team of journalists who won a Pulitzer Prize for their investigative reports on how poor building codes and subpar construction helped exacerbate the disaster.
It's just nothing but little bitty fragments of what used to be mobile homes.
While improvements were made, Doigo says there's simply no way to fully prepare for the unknown. So you just saw the destruction that Andrew caused. Now take a look at this side-by-side image. You can see just how much Irma dwarfs Andrew in size, and that's why people are preparing for the worst. Monique Riego, 12 News.